In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a workspace in ClickUp. First, make sure you have ClickUp open and you're signed in. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. It only takes a moment and you'll need it to join any workspace. Once you're in, head to the workspace you want to work with. In ClickUp, a workspace is the overall home for your team, and within it you'll find spaces, which are organized areas for projects and departments. For this process, you'll be sharing a specific space, and that invitation will also bring the person into your workspace. Find the exact space you want to grant access to. This is important because the invite you send will control what the person sees when they join. On that space, look for the three-dot menu. It's usually next to the space name. Click it to open the options for that space. From the menu, select Sharing. This opens the sharing panel, where you manage who can see and collaborate in that space. Here, you can invite someone by entering their email address. Take a moment to confirm you're typing the correct email. A small typo can prevent the invite from reaching the right person. When you're ready, send the invite. The person you invited will receive an email from ClickUp with a link to accept. As soon as they accept the invitation, they'll be added to your workspace and gain access to the space you shared. If they're new to ClickUp, they'll be guided to set up their account first. If they already have one, they'll be taken straight to your workspace after confirming. If they don't see the email, remind them to check spam or promotions folders, and you can always resend the invite from the sharing panel if needed. A quick note on what this means. By sharing a space, you're not opening your entire workspace to the person, only the space you selected. That's useful if you want to collaborate with a contractor or a teammate without exposing unrelated projects. If your plan includes permission options, you can choose the level of access during the invite process, ensuring people can only view or edit what makes sense for their role. To recap, open ClickUp and sign in, locate the specific space, click the three dots, choose Sharing, enter the email and send the invite. After they accept, they'll join your workspace and can start collaborating right away. That's all there is to it. Simple, secure, and focused on exactly what your team needs.